All right, so we're back. Just a little footnote: if you guys have any gummy feeling onto this, some adhesive, or you have some oils like greases, um, now you can use paint thinner or Varsol. They won't harm the lacquer finish, but they will shine it up. So you got to be very careful on how you use these chemicals and what you do to use them. But since we're respraying this, in either case, it wouldn't matter because we're putting another coating on top of it. So the last coat that's put on will be the thing that you see. So I'm just going to take off the lid. And again, this is to get rid of the waxes and greases and any kind of other buildup. It will not remove dirt. So it's not recommended. You still have to use soap and water for the cleaning process. So it did remove some gunk that was on there. We don't know what that gunk would be, but it's now not there. And when it comes to chemicals, just make sure that you just keep your hands clean all times. Wear rubber gloves.